Whether you're just starting out, looking to earn some extra cash, or seeking a remote career that perfectly aligns with your skills and personality, this video is your golden ticket to a world of opportunity. Hi guys, welcome back to the Finance Homefront with me, Bev. And today, we're unveiling the top 10 companies that are always on the lookout for work-from-home superstars. I vividly remember the days when I scoured the internet for work-from-home and remote job opportunities, just like you are now. It was a challenging endeavor, filled with vague information and discouragement. But fear not, I'm here to share with you some top-secret resources that'll make your journey a breeze. Working from home has been one of the best decisions I've ever made in my entire life. It allows me to roll out of bed in the morning and start working from my cozy computer corner. Say goodbye to the hours-long daily commute, the unnecessary expenses, and the office-related stress. If you appreciate this top-secret information I'm about to drop, show some love by gently tapping that like button, and let's dive right into it. 10. Working Solutions. First up, we have the fantastic Working Solutions. Now, this one's specifically available to folks in the US and Canada. But don't fret, most of the companies I'll introduce are open to remote workers worldwide. Working Solutions lets you work from home as an independent contractor and has won numerous awards for being one of the top 100 remote work companies. They welcome individuals from all walks of life. Whether you're a fresh college grad venturing into your first job or someone looking to supplement their retirement income. The folks at Working Solutions affectionately call themselves the Woohoo Crew. What's great about working here is that you get to be the boss of your own time. You decide when and how long you work. Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, it's entirely up to you. They have a whopping 150,000 plus people working for them. And most commonly, they hire for call center positions. You can expect to make around $15 per hour, and they even have an estimator on their website to give you an idea of your potential earnings. 9. Go Transcript. Next on our list is the incredibly accessible world of transcription, courtesy of GoTranscript.com. Here's the scoop. You'll be listening to audio or watching videos and transcribing what you hear. It's that simple. They pay around 60 cents per minute you transcribe. What's amazing is that it's super flexible. There are no strict time clocks to worry about. You can take on jobs whenever you have free time. Most people do this as a side gig, so the average monthly earnings come out to about $150. However, the top earners in the transcription game can make a staggering $1,200 or more. Plus, there are no upfront fees to join, which is a huge bonus. If you're multilingual, you're in for a treat. Your language skills can give you a significant edge in landing the best gigs. 8. Live Ops. This company holds the prestigious title of the #1 company for remote positions on a popular remote job website. Live Ops offer a wide range of positions, from retail support and healthcare to inbound sales and customer service. They hire people in the US and typically pay between $12 to $17 per hour. The application process is straightforward. Complete an application, undergo a background check which costs around $24.99, sign an independent contractor agreement, and you're all set to explore various programs that start every week. 7. Apple Home Care Advisor. Yes, you heard that right. You can work remotely for the tech giant, Apple. Known for its premium products and exceptional customer service, Apple takes its customer support to a whole new level. Apple Home Care Advisors are the cream of the crop when it comes to customer service representatives, and they're compensated accordingly, earning around $32 per hour, along with incredible benefits that some estimate are worth as much as the salary itself. If you are tech-savvy and familiar with Apple products, this job is a dream come true. 6. Go global with Dell Technologies. You're probably watching this video on a Dell product, right? Well, did you know that Dell Technologies hires people from all around the world for remote positions? They offer a broad spectrum of roles with varying pay rates, typically ranging from $40 to $150 per hour in the United States. The global reach of this tech giant means you can explore opportunities from India to the United States, Mexico to Malaysia, and beyond. 5. Clever Tech. CleverTech.biz offers a treasure trove of technology-related remote jobs. The beauty of tech careers is that they're highly conducive to remote work, and CleverTech is all about this. You can literally work from anywhere in the world. They have a neat feature on their website that allows you to search for jobs based on your existing skills. So if you're a React pro, you can easily filter and apply for React-related jobs. CleverTech's estimated average salary is about $52 per hour. 4. TELUS International. TELUS International is all about optimizing customer experience for digital brands. They employ 22,000 work-from-home or fully remote employees. Their wide-reaching operations hire people from many countries, and pay rates can range from $7 to $82 per hour. Talk about diversity and global opportunities. 3. GMR Transcription. GMR Transcription is another easy-to-enter transcription and translation service. While it might not be the highest-paying gig in town, it's an excellent way to make money online. According to GMR, transcriptionists and translators make around $1,000 to $3,000 per month. What's great is that your earnings can increase over time as you build a reputation for high-quality work. 2. Enterprise. Who would have thought that Enterprise, the famous car rental company, offers remote opportunities? They hire call center representatives and work around the clock, 24/7, 365 days a year. This means there are always shifts available for you to choose from. The starting salary is around $34,000 per year, with opportunities to advance up to $65,000 as you gain seniority. However, Enterprise's hiring range is currently limited to specific U.S. states. 1. DataStax. DataStax hires from a wide range of positions, and the pay varies depending on the role. Whether you're an inventory auditor earning $19 per hour or a senior graphic designer making $73.59 per hour, there's something for everyone. The company also offers excellent perks and benefits, including health coverage, retirement plans, employee stock options, and even pet insurance. Of course, we want to help you out the best way we can. And with that, we've got 2 more companies that offer work-from-home opportunities. Articulate, with super benefits. Articulate, the company that made it to the Inc. magazine's list of best workplaces for 2022, is known for its super benefits. They specialize in hiring for engineering, marketing, communications, and sales roles. With operations in many countries, the pay varies significantly. While it may be a tad more challenging to secure a position with this high-end company, it's worth the effort. Some reported salaries include $134,000 a year for business development, $92,000 a year for HR roles, $244,000 a year for lawyers, and $97,000 for operations roles. Concentrix, formerly Convergys. Concentrix, previously known as Convergys, is a giant in the quality assurance and computer science field. With over 300,000 employees spanning across 40 countries and 6 different continents, this company offers a wide array of roles. They've got an extensive selection of positions, making it easy to explore the ones that align with your skills and interests. With all these incredible companies and a wide range of remote job opportunities at your fingertips, the remote work landscape is more promising than ever. So don't waste any more time. Dive into these opportunities, apply, and embark on an exciting remote career that suits your skills and lifestyle. The remote work scene is bustling with opportunities from companies big and small. It's never been easier to find the perfect remote job that aligns with your skills and lifestyle. If you've got any questions, want more information about any of the companies mentioned, or simply want to share your thoughts, please don't be shy. Drop your comments down below, and we'll be more than happy to respond and help you out. Remember, we're here to educate, and it's up to you to decide where you stand. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful and are excited about exploring these remote job opportunities, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.